welcome back to the Mini Frugal Chefs. Happy New Year's, and I hope that this year brings only good things. So, today we'll be making an easy and very delicious string bean and cherry tomato salad. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so here I have 2 cups of string beans, and I cut these in half and boiled them for about 5 minutes, and then I cooled them off in an ice bath. So now we're gonna set these aside, and in a small bowl, we're gonna put for our dressing 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/8 cup lemon juice. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon basil, finely minced, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon oregano, and one clove of garlic, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're gonna whisk this until it's all mixed together. This is how my dressing looks after I whisk everything together. And I'm gonna set this aside. And here I have 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, which I cut in half. And I'm gonna put it in a bowl and add a little bit of our dressing. And we're gonna mix it with a spoon or a whisk, just like this. Okay everyone, so here are my cherry tomatoes, and now I'm gonna add in my string beans carefully and gentle. And now I have here a spoon, and with being very gentle, I'm gonna mix my string beans and my cherry tomatoes together. Here I have my string beans and my cherry tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the dressing. Now you can make more dressing, so you can add it as you like. But now we're gonna mix until it's all incorporated together. Okay everyone, so this is how my salad turned out. It looks so delicious. So now you know it's time to taste it. So, It's super delicious. Make sure to follow this recipe. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it, and I hope you make this salad. It's very good. Now don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of our delicious recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.